Hello students, today's video is regarding an auditing as a subject. In this video we will talk about a very important statement that means accounting is necessity while auditing is luxury. According to these situations or according to these circumstances, accounting can be luxury or it can be necessity, and auditing can also be luxury and can also be necessity. It depends on the kind of situation which you are facing right now. Next is what form of business we can say where auditing is necessary and where the accounting is necessary. So if we talk about for firms, in firms accounting and auditing both are necessary, or we can say in company, in cooperative society, accounting and auditing both are necessary. For small, if we talk about these small traders, then we can say here accounting is luxury, and as far as the sole traders are concerned, here auditing is luxury. So if we analyze the statement which is accounting is necessity, we could get some you can say we could get some kind of an points which is need to be taken care of. In this, there is first point which is limited memory power of human being. Due to the limited memory power of a human being, we can say we need to do a proper accounting procedure. Next is knowledge of profit and loss at the end of the year. While doing accounting process, we can get a knowledge of profit and loss at the end of the year because we are going to make a proper balance sheet. Next is knowledge of economic position of the business. If we are making the balance sheet, then we could get what is the economic position of the business at a current date on which the balance sheet is made. Next is proof in the court of law. If we are having a proper accounting things, then we can prove in the court that these things has been taken care of and these things has been stated in this company. Next is need on the admission of new partner for valuation of goodwill and for asserting the profits. Here it means when we are admitting a new partner, so determination of the share of profits will also could be done by the help of accounting procedures, and here the ratios has been involved, and for the valuation of goodwill of the upcoming partner is going to be determined by the help of a proper accounting procedure, and for the asserting of profits it could be taken care of that what is the amount of profit that should be shared by the partner which is right now coming in the business. Next is need on death or retirement of partner. At the time of retirement and the death of the partner, what things should be taken by them from the company, it needs to be taken care of. As far as their goodwill is concerned, as far as their you can say reserves are concerned, so these things should be done in the accounting. So accounting is very much necessary for each and every kind of business. Next is helpful for adjustment in the case of insolvent. If any businessman faces an insolvent positions, so what things should be come in revaluation accounting, what things should become while the insolvency task is been concerned, while the insolvency procedures of accounting is been concerned. So audit accounting is very much necessary as far as this insolvent takes place. Next is helpful in determinations of various taxes. While determining the various taxes, we need to know that what is the amount of profit is been accumulated in the coming period, or we have gained in the previous period. According to that only we are going to determine the amount of taxes which are going to paid by the government. Next is safety from fraud and forgery. If we are doing a proper accounting procedure, then we could get safe from this fraud and forgery, because it should be a written document that what things should be taken place in the form of a business, that how much amount is been intake, how much amount is been outtake from the business. It should be a written record, so no fraud and forgery could take place. Next is helpful in getting the loans. Yes, accounting is very much necessary if the loans is been concerned, because through the accounting we could get that what is the amount, what is the state of profits we are getting of, whether what is the bridge of a loss, what is the bridge of a profit, whether we are going to loss profit, or we are going to profit, or we are going in continuous loss position. So according to that only the loans will be sanctioned. Next is comparative study of a business. Comparative study of the business could be done by checking the books of account by the two different business. So accounting is necessary if you are doing this comparative study of business. Next is helpful in preparation of future plans. While doing accounting, we could get to know that what is the amount of profit we could get in the next year. So according to which only future plans is going to be discussed or made. Next is helpful in getting license. Helpful in getting license means present record. What is the present record? Because while exporting we need license. So what is the present record of our financial condition should we get through accounting, and we could get license in easy way. Next is helpful in determining the selling price of the business. As far as the single unit costing has been concerned, there the cost accounting has been taken place, and cost accounting has been taken place, then accounting is taken place. So it helps in determining the selling price of the business. So overall we could say that accounting is required for every kind of business for its effective operation and control. Therefore accounting is very much necessary in every business criteria. If we move towards the second statement of this statement, that is means auditing is luxury. If we say auditing is luxury, then we could divide our this explanation into two parts. First is opinion of a small business, and other one is opinion of big businessman. If we ask about opinion of a small business, first is more expensive, because auditing is more expensive because we need to appoint an auditor for it. Next is difficulty in filling formality. While doing auditing, we need to fill a proper amount of documents. So it is difficulty in filling the document, and wastage of time should be done, because while auditing, auditor could take very much time to do an auditing. Next is fulfillment of prestige only. Auditing is not necessary for every kind of business. It is done for making the prestige that this company is doing an auditing. So it could be a very nice company that they are showing their documents to other peoples. Next is make books of accounts. Make books of accounts by themselves or by others who are not required payment. So due to the less account procedures, due to the less accounting criteria, due to the less accounting tasks, they get prepared by ordinary accountant. By auditing, by the chartered accounting, it got luxury. Next is decrease in efficiency of employees. During the auditing, auditor calls them several times, so they can't concentrate on their works. So there will be decrease in efficiency of employees. Next is opinion of big businessmen. First, it increases the efficiency of employees. They know to do work effectively and efficiently. And efficiently work is necessary. If not, then auditor will find out if they are doing a work. If they are not doing the work effectively and efficiently, then auditor will surely find out. It's a definite for sure. So it is an opinion for big businessmen that they should do auditing. Next is less probability of fraud. Employee knows that if the fraud will be done, then it will be deducted, because auditing is done for sure, that auditing should be done for this company, so they can't even try to do a kind of fraud. Next is increase in efficiency of management. Auditor points on efficiency of management. Auditor make points on efficiency of management, so they try their level best to improve their efficiency in front of auditor. Next is helpful in development of business. Due to the auditing, all employees start doing the work in a faster way. So it will be helpful, or it will be very helpful in development of the business. Next is base of future planning. By comparative study of audited final account, a businessman can draw an effective future plan. Next is protect interest of shareholders. If the books are not audited, then lots of shareholders will suffer. So auditing should be very much necessary as far as the shareholders' interests are being concerned. At last, it is quick decision at the time of insolvency. It means a court can take quick decisions according to the audited books of account. If we are not having the audited books of account, the wastage of time and wastage of money both will take place. So there will be the quick decision at the time of insolvency as far as the auditing is concerned. So auditing is luxury for some businessmen, and auditing is necessity for some businessmen. So thank you for listening this video, and do like, share and comment your doubts in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel Manish Kumar Verma Important Topics to get all important lectures as far as the BCom syllabus is concerned. Thank you for listening me.